Hello dear students, now in this video we are going to learn about the ventricles. First of all, what is the ventricle? Ventricle means nothing. Ventricle means cavity. Yes, cavities of brain and brain stem. So in easy language, if you want to remember, ventricle means cavity. Okay, so just like the heart is also presenting with the cavity, there is also the term ventricle, and in the same way within the larynx there is the cavity which is also known as the ventricle of larynx. So ventricle is not only present in the brain but it is also present in the heart, larynx, etc. So now we are going to see what are the ventricle shown in this image. Can you see the blue color structure? The blue color structure is showing the ventricle and remaining other parts are showing the parts of the brain. Start from the basics. Yes, this uppermost part is cerebrum. This lower part is little brain, which is known as cerebellum. So this is one of your MCQ. Cerebellum is considered as little brain. Now see the lower part, the stem part. This is medulla, while the upper part situated over the medulla is pons. So these are the parts of the brainstem. Yes, medulla and the pons. The brainstem is hidden. It is above the pons, which is hidden by the cerebrum. Now, can you see in this image? Concentrate over the blue color structure. Yes, here I am drawing the margins. Yes, can you see this is the largest cavity of the brain. This largest cavity of the brain or cerebrum is better word is nothing is the lateral ventricle. Through this image you can follow what are the various parts of the lateral ventricle. Yes, see here anterior horn of the lateral ventricle, the anterior horn which projects within the frontal lobe. Yes, can you see the posterior horn of the lateral ventricle? This posterior horn is nothing, it is the part of the lateral ventricle which is projecting in the occipital pole. And can you see here this is the inferior horn. What is the inferior horn of the lateral ventricle which is projecting within the temporal pole, or you can say lobe also. Now the fourth part is the body of the lateral ventricle. What is the lateral ventricle? Body of the lateral ventricle which is projecting in the parietal lobe. Now in this image can you see this is the third ventricle? Yes, this is the third ventricle. Now see here the third ventricle is communicating with this duct like structure. This duct like structure is nothing, this is the cerebral aqueduct of Sylvius. Now in this image you can see this is the tent shaped structure. This tent shaped cavity is the fourth ventricle which is located within the hindbrain. Okay, yes, so what are the facts which we can learn from this image? Again you can write down about the ventricles. Yes, ventricles. What are the parts of the ventricles in the brain? Yes, how many ventricles? Lateral ventricle is there. Yes, third ventricle is there. Then cerebral aqueduct of Sylvius is there, and fourth ventricle is also present. Okay, so lateral ventricle. Lateral ventricle is nothing. It is the cavity of cerebrum. Yes, what is the third ventricle? Third ventricle is nothing, it is the cavity of the diencephalon. Here, in place of the cerebrum, better word to use is the telencephalon. I will tell you in development of the brain. Yes, so these are the MCQs. Now, cerebral aqueduct of the Sylvius, it is nothing. It is the cavity of, yes, mid brain, which is also known as mesencephalon. And at the last, the fourth ventricle. Yes, the fourth ventricle is nothing. It is the cavity of hindbrain. You can say rhombencephalon. So these are the various MCQ. From this image, you can again learn the parts of the lateral ventricle. Yes. Now see parts of lateral ventricle. What are the parts of the lateral ventricle? As you have seen in the image, the lateral ventricle is having the four parts. You can write down the notes. Four parts. What are the four parts? Yes. Anterior horn of the lateral ventricle. Next, posterior horn of the lateral ventricle. Next, inferior horn of lateral ventricle. And the last was body of lateral ventricle. Few additional knowledge. Yes, the anterior horn, it projects in frontal lobe, or you can say frontal pole. The posterior horn, it projects inside the occipital lobe, or you can say occipital pole. The inferior horn, it projects in temporal lobe or temporal pole, while the body which projects inside the parietal lobe. So these are the parts of the lateral ventricle. What are the parts? Again, anterior horn, posterior horn, inferior horn, and the body. Thank you very much.